Hello, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about data types and data representation. So let's look at the agenda. We will start with data types, then data representation, after that number system interconversion. Now what are the different data types that are in existence? We have text type of data. Text type of data means it is a document that consists of words, paragraphs, or sentences written in some natural language of alphabet. The format of storing the data type text is .txt or .docx, etc. Next, we have number type of data. This is the numerical data. Also, sometimes it is called quantitative data. And we have numbers from 0 through 9. After that, we have image type of data. And image type of data is represented by pixel values. Now, these pixel values are brightness levels of a picture. A picture can be divided into several blocks of smaller cells, and these cells have a definite pixel values, and these are stored in the form of a matrix. Now, storing the image data can be done in the format of .jpg or .bmp or .png or .jpeg, etc. Next data type is audio data type. It is basically the sound file that is stored, and it can be stored in a format similar to image file, but the format is different. It can be stored in the form .mp3. Next, we have video type of data. It is a continuous analog signal which stores video data, and the format of video data is .mp4. Next, we understand what data representation is all about. Now, in order to represent data, we have different number systems. We have the decimal number system. This number system is a number system where data can be stored in the form of numbers from 0 through 9. That means we have 10 numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So by using combination of these numbers, we can have data representation in decimal format. Next, we have binary number system, which is a number system having numbers 0 and 1. That means there are only two values, so it is known as binary, and we can have either 0 or 1. And a combination of zeros and ones will denote a particular number in binary number system. Next, we have hexadecimal number system. Here we have numbers from 0 through 9 and A, B, C, D, E, F. So in total, there are 16 numbers in hexadecimal format. By using combination of any of these numbers, we can have a hexadecimal number. Next, we have octal number system. This is a number system where we have numbers from 0 through 7. So there are basically 8 numbers, and numbers can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 8 numbers, and we can have a combination of any of these numbers to create an octal number in a particular octal number system. Now let us understand how to have number system interconversion. So this is the table. At a glance, we can have a look at the various number systems for the decimal numbers 0 to 15. See, when we have a decimal 0, a binary format of decimal 0 can be 0000. So it is represented by a 4-bit binary number. The corresponding hexadecimal number is 0 and the octal number can be 00. When we have a decimal 1, it is represented in binary by 0001. Hexadecimal is 1 and octal is 01. In this fashion, we can go up to 9. Here you see 9 is represented by 1001 in binary format. And the same 9 is represented in hexadecimal format, and in octal format it is 11. For decimal number 10, the binary format is 1010, the hexadecimal number will be A, and octal number is 12. In this fashion, when we go up to 15, the binary number is 1111, hexadecimal number is F, and octal number is 17. Let us now see how to convert a decimal number to a binary number. Let's say a decimal number is 41. How do we represent 41 in decimal number system? Basically, we look into the powers of the number, and the powers will be in powers of 10. So basically, this is the lower significant bit or LSB, and this is the most significant bit or MSB. Since there are only 2 numbers, we will be multiplying them by 4 into multiple of 10. We start with 0. So 10 to the power 1 plus 1 into 10 to the power 0. So we get it 40 plus 1 equal to 41. So this is the method of understanding how a decimal number system is represented. Now we will see how to convert a decimal to a binary number. Let's say we have this decimal number 41. We have to go on dividing this number by 2, and we keep the remainder. We go till we have the last, we reach the last stage. Let's look at how we do it. So you divide 41 by 2. So the remainder here is 1. Then 2 tens, 20, the remainder is 0. 2 fives, 10, remainder is 0. 2 twos, 4, remainder is 1. 2 ones, 2, remainder is 0. 2 0 0, then remainder is 1. So we go up to the last stage where we have a 0 at the bottom, and we start counting from the last stage like this. So the corresponding value of 41 base 10 in binary number system will be 101001. So this is the method of converting a decimal to a binary. Next, let us see how to convert a binary to a decimal. Let's say we have a binary number 1100. Now, as before, this will be the LSB. So LSB, and then this is 1SB, this is 2SB, and this is MSB. In order to convert this binary number to a decimal number, you need to multiply the number, that means each part of the number, by powers of 2. So this will be power of 0. So it will be 0 into 2 to the power 0. This will again be 0 into 2 to the power 1. Then 1 into 2 to the power 2. And 1 into 2 to the power 3. So basically it will be 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0. So it is 12. So binary number 1100, so base 2, is basically 12 in a decimal number system, which is a base 10 number system. Let's now understand how to convert a decimal to a hexadecimal number. In order to convert a decimal number to a hexadecimal number, we have to divide the number by 16 and follow the same procedure as we have done for decimal to binary number and start counting from below. Let's take the number 245 and start dividing by 16. So 245 base 10 will be equal to base 16. So we have to calculate this number. So 16 to 45, let's start dividing it. So it will be 15. So the remainder is 5. Again, you start with 16, start dividing with 16. It comes to be 15. So we have seen that we have reached the last stage because here we have got 0 here. And you start counting from below. So it is going to be 15 and 5. Now 15 cannot be any number in hexadecimal because 15 is represented by F and 5 as it is. So here 245 base 10 basically is F5. So this way we convert a decimal number to a hexadecimal number. Next, let us understand how to convert a hexadecimal number to a decimal number. In this case, you have to start multiplying it with powers of 16. So let's take it as 92. If it is hexadecimal number, what will be its number in decimal number system? So this will basically be, there are two terms. So this will be the LSB and this will be the MSB. So 9 into 16 to the power 1 plus 2 into 16 to the power 0. So basically it will be 144 plus 2. So it is going to be 146. So 92 hexadecimal number is basically 146 decimal number. Next, understand how to convert a decimal number to an octal number. In order to convert a decimal number to an octal number, we start dividing by 8. So let's take the number 623. Start dividing the number by 8. So we have this one 77. So 7 again divide by 8. It is going to be 9. So 5 again divide by 8. Going to be 1. 0. It's going to be 1. So you start counting from below. So it will be 1157. This is the octal number. And 623 is the decimal number. Next, let us understand how to convert an octal to a decimal number. If we have any octal number, let's say we have the octal number 1157. You have to convert this octal number to a decimal number. Then you have to start multiplying the number by powers of 8. Since there are 4 numbers, so this is LSB, this is 1SB, this is 2SB, and this is MSB. So what will be the decimal equivalent of the octal number 1157? Since there are 4 numbers, so this will be multiplied by powers of 8. So 1 into 8 to the power 3 plus 1 into 8 to the power 2 plus 5 into 8 to the power 1 plus 7 into 8 to the power 0. So we have it like this. 8 to the power 3 is 512 plus 8 to the power 2 is 64 plus 5 into 8 is 40 plus 7. So it comes out to be 623. So this is the decimal representation of the octal number 1157. Here I come to the end of this video. In this video we have learned about the data types. The different data types we have studied are text data type, image, audio, video, as well as number data type. We have looked into data representation. So we have learned decimal number system. We have learned about binary number system. We have learned about hexadecimal number system and octal number system, and we have understood their interconversion. Thank you.